Good morning. Orlando Gardener coming at you. Question: how drastic can peach tree pruning, how drastic can it be? And maybe even, how drastic should it be? Well, let's see. Well, all that, yeah. And it could go a little lower. All that is gone, y'all. And those little sticklies, they're coming down too. Don't be afraid to trim your peach trees, especially if you want them at a height that you can reach the peaches at. So the little sticklies, they're gonna go to like this, stuff like this. I'm gonna come back with these and even it off with all that major wood. And you want everything in here under the size of a pencil. You want all that gone, all of it. That little stuff like that. Get all your dead wood off, all of it. Every year you're gonna have dead wood. Get all of it off. Any limbs that go toward the inside of the tree as well. So all those branches are down. I'm gonna cut those up and pile them up under the tree. But that's gone. That's down. And what you see on the tree, a lot of this stuff, that's Cereseed growing. That stuff grow every year, all over everything. But I'm gonna go through and nip all this old wood off and all this stuff that look like pencils or smaller and thinner. Get all that off, and then the tree will be complete and ready for this this winter to come and give it some go juice, give it some life. I'll be putting probably about I don't know, half a pound of Epsom salt up on it, coming real soon. And I got a bunch of fish emulsions to put up on it out there. They're ready, good and right. Can't y'all smell it out there? All right, this is the Orlando Gardener coming at you. Y'all have a good one. Trimming your peach trees.